gosh, look at the color. It's because we're at that show and I have it like in some weird, oh wow. We're gonna leave it like this for now because we're at Journey's occupational therapy and she's going to her therapy. Pick it up, put it back. Oh, what'd you do? Well, I'm sorry. Therapy's over. She's pitching a fit. We're waiting for Sterling and Daddy. Hey guys, so it is 2:15 currently. I'm editing vlogs. Journey has the little kitten in here. I still don't know exactly what we're going to do about it, with it, any of that. We don't need another cat, but Journey is totally attached to it. We need to find it a home or something. It's doing like so much better. It used to have an abscess on its cheek. It's totally gone. Totally looks normal. It's like, and then its leg. So I thought the leg was broke or lame, or you know, I wasn't sure. I thought if the leg was broke, like she would be in some kind of pain, but I don't know. You know, I know animals don't show pain, but I'm sure if we, you know, because we tried to move it and stuff, if it hurt, it would be like wow or something. But now it's kind of like using it. Not all the time. It's just like runs, and then sometimes it like puts a little weight. I don't know. So yeah, I don't know what to do. Number one, we can't afford to have another animal, just because, you know, vet bills and whatnots, and feeding them. I already buy so much cat food between 3 cats as it is, and then flea treatments, and then like wormers, and then like the wormer stuff is not expensive. I think it's like 15. It's the pack that you buy. It has 3 for a 3-month supply. But I just buy one because we got 3 cats. So anyway, where was I going? Oh yeah, so I was just saying how yeah, I don't really know at this point. I felt sorry for it, so I started feeding it, and now we've kind of got it where it's, you know, kind of likes us a little bit. I did not know I had 27 open doors. 27 open doors. Alright, let's see. Oh, I got 2 orders yesterday. Okay, yeah, so let's see what we got to do. I'm so tired, you guys. So we've got to make 2 shirts and an apron. Let me see, right, this. And 2 shirts and 2 aprons. Okay, you know what, I'm good. I'm good. Select all, update, and progress. So I got my AJ Blank's order. I have to see if I have enough stuff to make this headband too. It didn't show. So we bought shirts last night at the concert. So this is this one. It has the dates, and it's also got stuff on the back. And I did get another one as well. So when we first got there, we got there early, and our parking was excellent, and they had a gate open where they were selling merchandise early at 4 p.m. The doors to the concert didn't open until 6, so we went, and it was all the way around the arena. So we had to walk all the way around the outside of the arena to go there. And we ended up buying 3 shirts. Me and my husband got the same shirt, and then Sterling got a different shirt. They didn't have small. All they had was a large, so she got that one. And then we, you know, walked back, and we had time to kill, so we went and sat in the car because it was so hot, because it's hot in Atlanta, right? Atlanta, so hot. So we sat in the car, for about an hour, and then around 5:30ish we decided to go walk to the arena, which was like a block away, if that. So we went there, and we were probably one of the first, I say, 30 people in the door. So we waited in line, went in, and then got our seats and stuff, and then my husband and Sterling decided they were going to go see if they had another booth, because they said, you know, a merch booth on the inside. So they went in there, and then that's where they saw these ones, because I really wasn't happy with the shirt I got. I'll show you guys. Let's go take a look, see. Oh, so bright. Find out where I put it. Here it is. I found it. But I mean, it's okay. I just wasn't crazy about this shirt. Are you going to bed? Why? Do you see things? Johnny, what's that kitten doing? Anyway, so I got you guys on a fingernail polish remover bottle, but this is the other shirt. So, I mean, it's okay, you know. And then it has tour dates, and at the bottom, I guess it's lyrics. I'm outside in the dark, strand, staring at the blood red. Anyway, yeah, I don't know what song that is. Left all. Nothing. Anyway. Oh, the Lost World is like spaced out at the bottom. Shows the cure. Oh, it's like glittery. Anyway, so these were the shirts. They only had like a couple. This one and then the one Shirley got, which I'll have to find out where hers is. Oh, they only have 2 more shows? Wow. It's a good thing we saw them. They actually didn't go that many places. They had a lot of repeats. Like they did 2 shows in San Diego, 3 shows in Los Angeles, 2 in San Francisco, and then 2 in Montreal, 3 in New York, 2 in Atlanta. So we saw them on the second night. Anyway, so tonight they're in Tampa, and then on July 1st then Miami, and then that's it. Oh, this is sparkly too, North America. Anyway, so these were the, you know, they had these shirts, and then my husband went and stuck these ones, and I was like, yeah, get me one. But the show was like really, really good. He sounded amazing, and Sterling loved it, and yeah. So we got back at like 2 a.m. I had to take a shower because I sweated so bad walking to get the first shirts to, you know, around the arena, and it was so hot. And so I took a shower and went to bed. So we're probably sleeping by closer to 2:33, somewhere in there, and then had to get up early this morning, get ready. I think we got up, I say early, we got up at like 7:30. Actually, my husband set his alarm for like 7. I think he got up at 7:30. And I rolled out of bed probably 7:45. So I'm like really tired. And I told him I wasn't going to take a nap, because I was like, I got orders and I'm not going to take a nap. But I think I want to, because I do want to go to Zumba. But the way I feel right now, if I go to work and then go to Zumba, I'm just not going to make it. I'm not going to make it. The sleepiness has set in. So I wanted to see how many orders I had to get done tonight. And 4 shirts, which they are both double orders. So one, they ordered 2 of a certain shirt, and the other one they ordered 2 of a certain shirt. This one is just there's not a number, it's just an image, so those should be pretty easy. I haven't made this shirt in so long, you guys. Design is. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure it out. And so anyway, yeah, I'm going to probably lay down for at least an hour. It's 2:28, so 3:30. I say 3:30, probably 4 o'clock, and then yeah, go from there. Who's getting on your nerves? Anyway, I was going to tell you something, but I can't around her. It's a secret. Oh my Lanta. Girls are swimming with all their clothes on. You know. Actually, I think Journey put her swimsuit on. Sterling's in her pajamas. Why not? Journey and I went for a night swim. We had our s'mores. Her butt's hanging out. She put her bathing suit on backwards. I haven't seen a skunk, so that's a good sign. With the baby kittens out here running. You need to get your shoes over here and bring them in. So I'm going to turn our fire pit off and go in. I do have to work on orders, but I told my husband, I think I'm calling in. There was 2, like a shirt, that's 2 shirts on 1 order, and then an apron. So those ones need to go out. There's 2 more shirts and what was it, 2 more aprons, but they came in on the weekend, which they didn't even come in. Are they? They didn't come in on a Friday, so they came in on. Okay, you need to leave now. Bye bye. See you later. We don't want you around here. Okay. I need to go. So I had a nice little swim in the pool. She's putting her on outside. And then I'm going to bed because I called into work. The double shirt order, I just messaged them. And the other apron, I just messaged them. So I will make them tomorrow. You guys. That Cure concert, whew! I said, that Cure concert, whew! Oh, I'm bright, holy cow. That Cure concert just like got me all hungover. I was tired. Took a little nap earlier, got up, didn't feel like working out, then after that, and yeah. Anyway, I think I am going to go see Matchbox 20. I'm so excited. So my husband doesn't like them. So he don't want to go. But my friend Julie likes them. Ding. And she's like, let me see if I can get off work. Because it's like in like 12 days. So we'll see. So as soon as she lets me know, I'm going to buy tickets. Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm tired. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. And we'll work tomorrow, okay? We're gonna work tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.